All right. Okay. Good morning, everyone. I want to show you how to use this platform called Popcorn. All right. To check your wallet address, to check your some of the coins, because in most cases, some of you have been complaining that you cannot see the figures of uh. I think I purchased a coin yesterday. Let me see if I can show that coin in one of my wallets. All right. Okay, so I did purchase this coin yesterday. Okay, so um, let me see. Excuse me. Mm, yeah, let me reduce the size of this. All right, so yesterday I actually purchased this coin, and the figure here was not actually showing. Okay, so that was because the coin is new in the market. Okay, so but now today the coin is actually the figure is actually showing here. Let me see. There's a particular coin. All right. I want to give you an example of one of those coins. Okay. Um, let's check one of these accounts. Let me see. Let me see. All right. So let me check one of these accounts. Um, drag it down. Let me drag it down. Sorry about that. So there's a particular let's say okay. All right, let me click on this coin. All right, let me click on this Papi coin. Okay, so this is like a typical example of what I'm talking about. You could see the figures here, but you can't see the dollar sign, right? Excuse me. You could see the figures here, but you can't see the dollar sign, right? So normally the dollar sign should have been somewhere around there, but you can't see it. But then this is how to figure that out, okay? In most cases, some people don't know if the coin is up or not because the figures are too long. So, but because of the dollar sign that should have been there, you that will allow you to know if the if you have been making money or not. Okay. So, how do I get this contract address? Let me go back to my let me go back to let me go back to my excuse me. Let me go back to uh one of my premium accounts. Okay, so I that coin Pape, I think I posted it somewhere last time. Let me check. Let me check. I think I posted that coin not long ago. So I'm actually looking for that coin, the contract address of that coin. Pape. Okay, this is not Pape. I may want to use another contract address to walk you through so that I won't waste most of our time. Um, okay, so this is the contract address here. All right, this is the contract address. Yeah, so I'm gonna copy that contract. Okay, so I think I have it under here. So it's the same thing. Okay, so that's won't waste time. Copy that from here. So I'll take that contract address to Trust Wallet, right? Password. So what I will need to do here is simple. Okay, so I'm going to click on browser somewhere here. Okay, so I'll click on browser. and then I need to type popcorn, popcorn, yeah, okay, Poocoin, okay. So already I have it in the history section, so I just drag it a little bit down. So this is where I have the popcorn, but in your case you may want to type it in the browser section search. All right, so I have the popcoin, sorry, popcoin.app, okay. So popcoin.app, all right, popcoin.app/token, okay. Let me redo that. Popcoin, okay. Popcoin.app/token, okay. Popcoin dot app, all right, then slash token slash tokens, okay. So that's the spelling. You type it at the top. I may copy it. I'll copy the URL, that's the website address, and paste it there. So but let me just click this so that I can show you how to check the figure in case uh Trust Wallet is not actually showing that the figure in dollars, okay. Now we are in the Popcorn platform. What you need to do is to drop that contract address here, okay. So you drop it here, okay. So I'm going to drop that contract address here by pasting it. So automatically the system is going to pop out that contract address, okay. So here is what the system has been able to pop out. So I'm going to click on that, and it's going to open the entire page to show you exactly what you have here. So now this is the figure that I currently have there, okay. With that account I have $1.115, okay. So that's what I currently have there. So that's how to check. This is how to check the figure, right? So you have to copy the contract address from the group, or if you have it saved somewhere, then come to Popcorn, paste it there, and the figure is going to show. So on this platform you see more broader information than what we currently have in Trust Wallet. From here you're going to see a lot more information, like the movement of the coin, okay, and all that. So to learn more, as you can see, these are the movement, and it's going to go up and all that. So that's it. To learn more about Popcorn, go to YouTube. There are a lot of videos that shows you exactly what you need to know about Popcorn and how to use this platform. All right, so guys, this is how to check the prices of your current tokens, meme coins, shit coins, and all that. See you next time.